How to download games on laptop for free. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. First of all, simply go ahead and open this app that says Microsoft Store. And once you open it up, you gotta make sure that you're signed into your account. Now once you're signed in, scroll below and then you'll find top free games. Right here, simply tap onto it. Now once you click onto it, you'll find all of the free games that is available on Microsoft Store. If you wish to install one of them, simply click onto it and then simply tap on the option that says Get. And as soon as you tap onto it, it will get installed in your laptop. And that is simply how to download games on laptop for free. And that is it for today's video guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.